launched the Air Force 1 Low Black Denim in Holiday 2025, retailing at $120, giving sneaker fans a fresh denim-inspired option. The pair is fully constructed in black denim with stitched eyelets, Nike Air Heel branding, and a sleek outlined swoosh replacing the usual leather overlay. Its distressed, washed-out finish is designed to look better over time, adding character the more it's worn. This drop follows Nike's denim tradition, notably the 2006 Kobe Air Force 1 Denim PE, now being revisited from the Kobe Vault. With its simple yet stylish aesthetic, the sneaker blends versatility and trend-forward appeal, ensuring it suits both casual and streetwear looks. Slated to arrive between October and December 2025, the release strengthens Nike's rotation of denim-themed sneakers while reinforcing the timeless relevance of the Air Force 1 silhouette.